So you can see here y equals to x squared. So you can see our leading degree, our degree is an even number. It means that our behavior is both up. So you can see here in the graph, they're both facing up. Or we can express this in another way. So you can see here on the right side, as x is moving to positive infinity, our y or our x here is moving to positive infinity, our y is increasing here. So you can see here the increase. So our y is moving to positive infinity. On the left side here, as x is moving to negative infinity, our here, so you can see here, our y is also increasing, just like here. So our y is moving to positive infinity. For our example number 2, as you can see here, that our degree is also an even number, but our leading coefficient is less than 0. So it means we will be facing down. This is like, for example, a of n. Even, odd. So you can see here that that term is more than 0. The behavior will be facing up since it is even. But if it is odd, the left side will be facing down and the right side will be facing up. And on the other hand, if our example, just like here, is less than 1, this will go down from both sides. This go up and this will go down. We can also express this just like here, as x on the right side, as x is moving to positive infinity here, our y is decreasing, so you can see. So our y is decreasing to negative infinity. Our y is moving to negative infinity. On the left side here, as x is moving to negative infinity, our y is also decreasing. So our y will be moving to negative infinity. Let's have an example here. Different example. Let's find the graph of y equals to x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4. Let's find first the coordinates. So let x be 0. So y equals to x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4, or simplify, we get 0 minus 0 minus 0 plus 4, our y. So our y-axis is 4. To find the x, let y be 0. Y equals to x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4. So 0 equals to x cubed minus 4 minus x squared minus 4x plus 4. Let's use the synthetic division. Let's find first the factors of 4. So our factors of 4 is 1, 2, and 4. x cubed here is 1, negative x squared is negative 1, negative 4x, negative 4 here. So let's bring down the 1. 1 times 2 equals to 2. 2 plus negative 1 equals to 1. 1 times 2 equals to 2. Negative 4 plus 2 equals negative 2. Negative 2 times 2 equals negative 4. 0. So the remainder is 0. So 2 is a root. Now let's use the remainder to find the other coordinates. So 1, and negative 2. So 1x squared plus 1, since this is positive, 1x minus 2. Let's factor it first. X plus 2, x minus 1. Let's find the zeros of this equation. X plus 2 equals to 0, so our x will be negative 2. X minus 1 equals to 0, so our x will be 1. For our coordinates, it is 2, negative 2, and 1. This is the graph they will be using. Since our leading term here is, the leading degree is a cube. So it means they were going first on the bottom left side. Let's start. Since our coordinates is negative 2, let's start from negative 2. Let's go up. And then we go to the other coordinate, which is 1. And we go like here. And go to our last coordinate, will be 2. Here. But first, before I forget, graph of polynomial function, a polynomial function of degree n-1 turning points on its graph. So it means that whatever the degree here, for example here, our degree is 3 here, 3 minus 1 equals to 2. So this 2 is the turning point of this graph. As you can see here, this is the first turning point and this is the last turning point.